You can start a clothing brand in 2026 without ever touching a single piece of inventory. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you, step by step, how to build a profitable print-on-demand business from scratch. First things first, you need a niche. Don't just make shirts for everyone. Think specific. Are you into vintage cars? Retro gaming? Maybe you're a passionate gardener or a book lover. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to find your customers. A great niche combines your passion with what people are actively searching for and willing to buy. For example, instead of just dogs, you could focus on a specific breed like corgis and create designs that corgi owners would absolutely love. Next up, creating your designs. And no, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer. You have amazing tools at your disposal. You can use AI art generators to bring your ideas to life with just a few text prompts. Or you can use a super user-friendly tool like Canva. It has thousands of templates, fonts, and graphics that you can easily customize to create something unique and eye-catching. The key is to create designs that resonate emotionally with your niche audience. Once you have your designs, it's time to bring your store to life. We're going to connect two powerful platforms, Shopify and Printify. Shopify will be your online storefront. It's clean, professional, and easy to set up. Printify is the magic link. It's a print-on-demand service that connects your Shopify store to a network of printing partners. When a customer buys a shirt from your store, Printify automatically handles the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. You just upload your design, choose the products you want to sell, like t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs, and set your price. You only pay Printify after you've made a sale. No upfront costs, no inventory headaches. So, how do you get that thrilling first sale? Don't just wait for people to find you. Be proactive. Your first customers are often right in front of you. Share your designs with friends and family. Post them on your personal social media. A great strategy is to join Facebook groups or Reddit communities dedicated to your niche. Share your designs there, but don't be spammy. Engage with the community, get feedback, and genuinely connect with people who share your passion. When they see you're one of them, they'll be much more likely to support your brand. The real beauty of this business model is its long-term potential. This isn't just about quick sales. By creating content around your niche, like blog posts or videos, you can attract evergreen search traffic from Google and YouTube for years to come. People searching for funny corgi shirts will find your store today, tomorrow, and next year. Plus, as your brand grows, you can monetize your content with affiliate links, recommending other products your audience would love. It's a powerful, sustainable way to build a real business. If you're ready to start your own brand without the risk, this is your sign. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.